Are you preparing melon?
Yes, baby.
Daddy,
I forgot my tumbler again.
Huh?
Can you heat up the kettle? I forgot my tumbler.
we can't find.
It's on the basket outside the door. Remember? When I asked you last time to get it, it's outside the basket. Can you go get it, please? I don't think that she wants.
I found you.
Look, look. Like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna eat
I
it?
wanted the big rainbow shade.
It doesn't fit if I put it in your finger. Ouch.
Yes, that's like Mommy,
Eat this.
my leg hurts.
Why?
We should
Mia's lunch and Mia's snacks. Ayan. Ready
I'm
na.
here to see. I'm like Spidey. I'm like Spidey legs.
What's that? Legs?
Spidey looks like this when he lands.
Oh.
Can I move? Or sit you, please?
I think some of your clips are downstairs. Leave your bags downstairs. That's it?
Is it two? Is it two?
What two?
Of these. Like this.
No, it's just one.
Like this. I want it to be like this.
What's your...
See,
Hey, Karina.
Sakalu, finally.
Put it on.
No, I really go out.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Christine. Love you. Sige na, go na. Bye-bye. Take care.
Oh no, the car's at the back. Let's walk to the back.
What? Hello, people. We're in the car. Papunta na kami sa appointment ni Kai. Ano niya to? 8 weeks check-up sa child health nurse. So, malapit lang siya actually sa bahay. 8 minutes away. So, nasa likod siya. Oh, I think the camera that I ordered will be coming today. Hopefully, they will just do it outside.
In 500 meters, at the roundabout, continue straight to stay on Starflower Road.
Yan, order ako ng camera para masisi ko siya makita. Kasi yung mirror, ayan, naka-attach na siya dyan. Medyo blurry siya sa paningin ko, guys. Hindi ko alam kung sa mata ko lang. Yung old camera naman na ginamit ko kay Mia last time, hindi ko na alam saan ko siya nilagay. For sure, around the house lang yun. Pero hindi ko na alam saan ko siya nilagay. So, bumili ako ng bago. And darating daw siya today. So, yung appointment ni Kai is 1 p.m. and now it's 12:49. Dito na kami, guys. Nandun lang sa...
You keep yawning. You
Ayan.
keep sleeping.
Diyan lang sa loob yung aming appointment.
Keep yawning, my baby.
Kai started to bubble already.
You keep yawning.
He's bubbling some sounds. No, Kai? It's hot actually today. But it's only like 32 degrees or something. Oops! Kai!
He's a boy.
Nakasando lang yan siya. Titi pa si Kai. Titi. Daddy is putting Kai. We're back in the car. Is Kai happy?
Yeah.
Yeah? My baby happy? He is growing so well. He is so strong. Very strong boy. Yeah, like that. Yay!
Where are we going?
I don't know. It's already 1:45. Mr. Bunny over there if you want.
Where? Which way?
I don't know which way to go out here. Yeah. Mr. Bunny, we haven't eaten much yet, guys. So we're trying to...
Super Thai.
Yeah, they actually have food there, no? But it's kind of cheap.
Let's just take away.
Daddy just went to... Mahangin ba? Kasi mainit, guys. Daddy just went to order sa Mr. Bunny Vietnamese restaurant. Kasi di pa kami naka-lunch. It's now 1:53 and magti-take away lang siya. After niya mag-take away, I don't know if... Yeah, I think we're gonna go home straight and then he will pick up Mia kasi labas ni Mia is 2:35 and Kai is at the back. Sana hindi siya umiyak. He's okay at the moment. Hindi siya umiiyak. Yeah. So, ayun, update sa check-up niya, 8 weeks check-up niya. Sabi ng child health nurse, okay naman daw siya. He is growing so well. very strong boy. Yung head niya lang guys, kasi mas prefer niya yung left side sa right. Lagi siyang naka-face sa left. So parang dominant niya yung left and parang hindi na siya like parang it's hard for him to look sa right side. I always try to change it all the time, pero bumabalik talaga yung ulo niya sa left. So ayun, sabi ng childhood nurse, kailangan namin siya i-assist sa right most of the time, pero kailangan din namin i-balance kasi baka masanay siya sa right. Before, nung sa hospital siya guys, lagi siyang nasa right side niya, kaya lagi ko siyang nilalagay sa left until we get home. Parang nasanay na siya na nasa left siya, and then di na siya nagtuturn sa right. So I think that's what happened kasi lagi ko siyang nilalagay sa left before. Nag-umpisa na siya. Pupunta na ako sa likod. Kai, mama's here. Wait, my love. Let's put your dummy. Ayun na. Medyo matatagalan pa si daddy doon. Wait lang. And then, meron tayong pag-goodie bags na naman. Hindi naman ito madami, guys. Ayan. Mga ano lang, more information. Meron na ako nito kay Mia before, pero mas malaki. Now, ginawa nilang maliit. And then, may mga, mga little books. Ayan. Ito, parang sa fridge ata ito nilalagay. Magnet siya. Yeah, more books. Ayan. Punta na natin si Kai kasi naiinis na siya. Mama, like this. Hello lang, my baby lang. Say hello, people. Naka-close talaga. Gutom pa ikaw? Busog na ikaw eh. Yeah. Oops. Uy! Gusto mo mag-talk? Mag-talk lang si Kai. Hello, my Kai lang. Hello, my Kai lang. Daddy put the fan here for you. Ano lang yung fan? Yeah? Daddy put the fan here for you lang. Yeah, Kai. Kasi ang init man. Ang init man. Oh. Okay na no. Basta may kausap lang si Kai. Ha? Hindi na umiiyak si Kai. Basta may kausap lang, boy. Yes? Yes. Tingin ka kay mommy. Here. Nasa left side na naman siya tumitingin kanina. Oh, diba boy? Here, this side. Hello. Hi. Say mommy. Say mommy. Mommy. Did you see the nurse today? The nurse said you're such a good boy. Alam niyo yung weight niya guys? 6.2. 6.2 na ikaw. Kailan lang ikaw naging 5.9? Healthy naman yan, ha? Healthy naman ng buboy ko. 2 p.m. na. Oh, we need to pick up Ate Mia very soon. Oh, diba nakatingin naman siya dito? Which is good, no? Kailangan mo lang masanay, no? No. Pag nakahiga siya, doon siya lagi sa left. Nandun lang si Daddy nag-order, guys. Diyan sa gilid. Diyan sa restaurant na yan. Dito lang kami nakapark sa side. And hindi pa siya lumalabas. Is our order. You order banh mi. Daddy got the banh mi. I've got the noodle salad with spring roll. Oh, people, we are home. Tulog si Kai sa bassinet niya. Kain tayo. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is what the pork is. When you order a pork with rice. Daddy, when you order pork with rice, this is what
in a big bowl, so you can mix it properly.
the pork looks like.
And a big bowl.
I don't like the Coke. I mean, I don't like a lot of it. I'll share with people.
What about some black oil? Is it like in the last one?
Not right.
You got a big bowl, it's that cheap. You can't mix it.
I always eat meat.
You can mix it up so you can eat it properly.
Okay. Only one spring roll. Before they put 2 spring rolls. Or 4.
You can even do that at home. Just buy your spring roll, put it in there. There's nothing in there. Just buy the the people's tower that you buy last time.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, the one you buy last time in the top.
Put it there.
Just put some
I can
mint,
just eat.
basil.
I can just eat normal carrot.
No, better with fish sauce. So when you put fish sauce, you can put fish sauce and mix it together. Half of that fish sauce you can put in.
That's true. Hey, I can make it. With the bean
It's
sprouts.
same as bumbo style. It's the same.
Bumbo sao.
Yeah, bumbo style you can put the spring roll too.
What's bumbo sao?
The beef you stir fry with bean sprout. And turmeric and lemongrass.
Wait. Bumbo sao is the pancake.
No. Bansel.
Oh, yeah.
It's a beef that you dice like this and you stir fry with bean sprout.
Yeah.
It's the same. Basically that bún is veggie and you eat with any meat.
Every time my didi hurts, like when your didi hurts, the milk is coming out, like leaking. That's when the milk coming out. The baby like feels uncomfortable or they cry. At the same time, I feel like they're connected to mommy. No. The connection. When I feel it, I suddenly cry. Luksong baby. Luksong baby. Si Kai. Ano ni sa Joy? Ang ganyan. After inagay sa sandwich. Katong gamit ko tulad ng ginaw. Wala ko na nalasangan.
Không thể giấu được nữa, ông đành phải lật bài ngược. Giỏi lắm con sao con biết nữa, cha thích con nào thì là con đó thôi. Mẹ nó chính là Joanna của con. Nghe vậy, con trai bàng hoàng.
Joanna to come?
Không ngờ cha mình lại cướp vợ của anh em kết nghĩa. Nó không phải con của ta, cũng
Hello people. Ha? Simula? Hindi namin natapos yung kinakain ko. Si Daddy, are you done eating or not?
Yeah.
Daddy's done eating, ako hindi. It's time
Very fast.
It's time to pick up Mia, guys. Si Kai kasama din kasi yung teacher ni Mia, gusto niya daw makita si Kai kasi alam niyo yung time na we have to go to school every Mondays for the tryout or something. Pregnant pa ako nun. So si Miss Clark, gusto niya makita daw si Kai. Kasi alam niya na nakanak na ako by the time the school starts. Ngayon na ako makakasama ulit to pick up Mia. Normally si Daddy yung taga-drop tsaka taga-pick up. Kaita is good. Hi.
We're gonna see JJ's teacher.
Dito tayo sa parking lot. In fairness, dito sa school na to, ang dami nilang parking. Where is the Kai? Ooh, nakasando lang talaga siya. Ooh, let's go.
Too bright.
How's the day? Yeah, did it lock?
Oh, you like my chicken.
Let's go pick up.
You wanna show Miss Platt your baby brother?
What are we gonna do with it?
You read on it.
You read? Yeah. And what's the rules? What's the rules, Mia?
This is to bend and
Huh?
this is to put food on it and water on it. And,
Don't bend.
No.
No man, no food, no water.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Come on, dali.
On Wednesday.
On Wednesday next week? 1 week or 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
You can have it for 2 weeks? Are you sure? Okay. Well, let's go this way. Come on, Daddy.
Yeah, he was.
Kids are in the car. May book si Miyang dala. What book is in here, Mia? Did you choose this book?
Yeah.
You did? Oh, who's this?
Money.
What's his name? It's Peter.
I watched Peter.
It's Peter Rabbit.
I watched that on your phone.
Yeah.
And I watched it make a cut. I remember. When I was young, I watched it too, and you hold his phone.
Yeah.
It's Peter Rabbit.
Yeah.
It's also in TV. You remember the TV? It's Peter Rabbit.
I love Peter Rabbit.
You love Peter Rabbit. You choose that one? Oh, Miss Pop.
I choose it.
You choose it.
No, Miss Weast was there, not Miss Claus.
Ah, Miss Wees. Okay. Sorry.
The one with the red hair is Mrs. Weast.
Mrs. Wees. Okay. So you
There's
got,
Mrs. S, Mrs. Weast, and Mrs. Claus.
okay. Mrs.
Oh,
Clark.
Mrs.
They're all Mrs. Okay. Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
That's good. Did you finish your lunch?
Daddy, Mommy, look at this.
Did you finish your lunch?
I just didn't finish free. I didn't eat free, and I didn't eat free.
To
Yeah,
go.
I've been waiting for Carsey to go next to mine. Please go next.
Mommy will change it to your side and you'll be in the middle. When the car is parked inside the garage.
Mia pupu bambang.
Wow.
Mia pupu
Now
bambang.
look at this side. Yeah, I was
Mia pupu bambang.
The police is getting you. Hey, stop.
Oo, big mouth anay. Dali na, mommy have to pump. And baby brother needs to sleep. Go. We're back home, guys. And we're eating again. Oh.
Let's put the new rules. Where's the new rules?
Here. Ay, naku.
Mommy, she said, Lucky Charm. That's really cool.
Sorry guys, nakabalik ko lang. Tulog na si Kai kanina pa, pero kakagising lang din kasi kanina pa siya tulog. So, nandun si Lee sa taas. Kunin ko lang yung lunchbox niya kasi hindi ko pa nakuha sa bag since dumating kami. Time check, it's now 5:13 na hapon. Daddy, aalis din yan siya. Meron siyang magti-train pala siya. Magti-train. Ah, very good. Finish the yogurt. This is the snack box. Oh, finish. Uy. Pinaglaruan lang naman niya sis ang kanyang pretzel. Anyari. Nabasa. Hindi niya kinain masyado. Ano yan? Natirang sandwich. Yung pretzel. May natirang isang fruit sticks. Laglag pa nga. Look at Ate Kai.
And then the mommy Peter put Peter to sleep. He
Mommy
sleeps
Peter.
very well.
Mommy Peter.
He waked up with his two twins baby.
Oh, no folding. Careful.
No, you cannot fold this side, only inside, because I can't do it. And the baby bunny was in the basket. And mommy was holding the other basket. And then mommy was eating some carrots.
Wow.
And Peter baby was sleeping. And a guy came to Peter and two guys. And then Peter got
Like I
lost.
said, too boring. Is it too boring for you?
And then Peter lay down. So he can rest, but he's so sad.
Why did you wake up? You only have 40 minutes sleep. I thought you're crying because you didn't have enough sleep.
And the bread come and Peter catches
Napatulog na
it.
naman siya.
And then Peter cooked the bread. And then he bring it to the man. Kai, I'm nearly finished, so don't cry. Mommy came to pick up Peter in school. But that was Peter's school. See, Kai? The mommy doesn't have clothes. She's naked to go to school. Kai, you see the sheep? This is the sheep.
It's a dog.
That's a dog. No, that's a kitten. That's a kitten.
Oh yeah, it's a kitten.
A bunny and a kitten live together. They've been friends for a long time. Peter was stuck in the gate with some birds, and they were blocking the way for Peter to go. It was too heavy for Peter. He found a way, and then the mommy was eating, and then Peter was still playing. And the two babies and the mommy was feeding them, and then they cooked for their mom. The end.
Wow, I love your story, Ate Mia. That's a good story.
It's so
See, you
pretty.
make Kai sleep. That's good. See, he's sleeping now. He loves the story.
Yeah.
Yeah? Aw, that's so nice. So when are we gonna bring that back? Tomorrow? Because you finished already? Or you wanna keep it?
I want to keep it because the teacher said you can only have 2 days. When you read it, when it's next time,
You ready to
when
sleep?
you read it again, and then the next time, then you give it tomorrow.
Okay. What, tomorrow?
No. I'll show you in the days.
Okay, show me the day.
I will just follow the teacher's. That will be this. And
Nagpalit ako bedsheet, guys, kasi umihi itong batang to habang change ko siya. So, kakagising niya lang kanina. Ayaw niya matulog kasi gutom.
Mommy, look what I can
So,
do.
nilagay ko muna siya dito kasi umiiyak. Oh, uyak na naman.
Mommy, look what
Mama,
I can do.
kumakatir.
Mommy,
Gusto
look
na
what I
magdede,
can
kaya
do.
lang gusto ko palitan yung bedsheet.
Mommy,
Yes.
look what I can do in gymnastics.
Okay. Wow,
See,
nice.
that's a
nice.
different one.
That's a different one? Gutom na. Wait lang. Kaya mama ka nag-change the bed stretch it first, okay? And then you can, dede again. Oh, do. Direct clutch na kasi siya, guys. Gusto ko pag umiga ako dyan,
Mommy, it's rain.
malinis na yung bed. Kasi
Mommy,
dyan siya umihi sa ko,
Mommy!
sa side ko.
Mama, I just feel that the rain dropped from the ceiling there, the roof.
The what? The rain?
Yeah, the rain. One rain is dropping from the roof.
Is it?
Yeah, I feel it on my face right here.
Naka-change ko lang ng 2 weeks ago. Okay na siya, guys. Kasya na siya. Hindi na maliit sa kanya. Parang okay sa weight niya na 6.2. 6.2 na siya ngayon. Kasi ngayon ko lang siya ulit na try itong carrier na to. Kasi nung tinay ko to sa kanya last time, hindi pa siya ganun kalaki. So ngayon okay na. Super comfortable na. Kakatapos niya ng dede, guys. Hey! Hello! Tutulog ka na? Nakatulog na siya kanina habang dede. Kaya lang nagising man, habang tinatransfer ni Mami. Tulog pa kaya to? Hindi ko matutulog pa siya eh. Yes? Yeah? Yeah? Matutulog ikaw? So, yung head niya before is nasa dito na side. Kaya lang, tinansfer ko dito para dito siya lagi nakatingin kasi pag dito nga yung head niya, dito lagi siya nakatingin sa left side. So, pag dito na nilagay yung ulo niya, dito siya lagi nakatingin sa right side, which is good. Para hindi siya dun sa kabila. No, we need to practice that head. No, the head lang. No, ay, iiyak na naman. Napatulog ko siya ulit, guys. Ayan. Kain na tayo ulit.
I think it's the best day ever.
Why?
Because you've been kind.
You want me to bring Kai all the time?
Yeah, because I really miss him. He's so cute. Could I have some more?
Okay. I'll try to bring Kai sometimes. But I can't bring Kai because Mommy have to feed him and he wants to dede all the time. Mommy have to get changed to pick you up. Only when Daddy's here, then Daddy can do it for you. For Mommy, if Daddy's not here, then Mommy have to do it by myself. But then it's so hard for Mommy to do it. No, I think maybe when Kai is a bit bigger, she like that. She likes the garlic prawn with.
Okay. Why are you okay? I'm sleeping.
He's hungry na. Say good night to Kai kasi Mommy gonna feed Kai. Hungry na aming baby. Well, you have to because you're gonna be tired tomorrow when you wake up. Go get your pillow and put it there.
Anyway, I'll just stop later.
Huh?
Anyway, I'll just stop later when he stops.
Go put your pillow. Hurry up.
Come on.
That's alright.
He's red.
We're gonna put the big. Hey, Didi Mom. Pepe needs to Didi. No, Mommy. Needs to Didi. No, Mommy. You're so... Tapos na siya magdede, guys. Tulog na siya. Oops. Scratch na naman sarili niya. Oh, cute. Ang cute ng kamay. Oh.